Isang grupo naman sa British Columbia ang naghahanda na para sa parating na Filipino Fest sa Museum of Surrey. Silipin sa report na ito.
We are rehearsing back to back. I know some dancers are very busy with their schedules, but we're making time to make it right, to make it nice, to make it worth it for all the guests that coming.
Naghahanda na ang grupong Anahaw Filipino-Canadian Performing Arts Society in BC para sa kanilang pinakaunang performance sa Museum of Surrey sa September 6.
This is a big break for them to showcase and share their amazing talents in the community.
Kada taon, inoorganisa ng Museum of Surrey ang isang libreng community festival sa loob at sa labas ng museo na tinatawag nilang Filipino Fest.
It's not only, parents who will be enjoying that day, it will be kids as well. Last year, actually, I attended the Filipino Fest. And that moment when I was alone, I was like, I want to be part of this community. Ang saya-saya ng paligid.
Kasama sa Filipino Fest ngayon Sabado, higit 15 Pinoy performers, vendors at food booths. Kasama rito ang Anahaw.
We're gonna be dancing Kapamalong. If you know Kapamalong, Kapamalong is showcasing how we can use the malong in our Maranao dance in Muslim dance. And then next dance for at least 3:30, we will be dancing Polka Sanayon. Folk dance originated from Batangas, and this dance is showcasing the colorful vibrance of dancing, a ballroom dance where we learn that back then in our Spaniards colonization.
Ang performance sa Filipino Fest, ika-10 community performance ng Anahaw mula nung binuo nila ang non-profit society noong Canada Day 2025. Naghahanda na rin daw ang grupo para sa kanilang kauna-unahang dinner and dance event na magaganap sa Royal Palace, Burnaby sa September 12.
And dancing, it's not just dance, it's like we're expressing, we're sharing our culture, our heritage to the community, not only for Filipino community, but multi community. And by watching the faces of those people who's watching us, it was just like it melts my heart.
At iyan ang mga balita ngayong araw. Itong Omni News Filipino. Maraming salamat po.